At Lakeland, college is much more than a classroom. It's an experience, getting your feet wet and your hands dirty. Finding what drives and inspires you. It's meeting new people, seeing new places, and discovering where you might fit. Chasing your goals or developing new ones and working towards achieving them. It's immersing yourself in new ideas, innovations, and challenges. Designing projects, running events, managing enterprises, and helping with research. It's collaborating with classmates, companies, and community. Risking failure and finding new ways. It's succeeding at more than academics. It's learning to thrive, to grow, and to excel in new and exciting ways.
That is how you win a championship!
It's both competitive and supportive. It's immersive. It's about learning in action. At Lakeland College, our students go beyond the classroom and learn through tangible experience. We support them as they become highly capable thinkers and doers, ready for whatever comes next. And together, we can move mountains. Or in this case, we can move students beyond the classroom for immersive, hands-on learning experiences that prepare them to succeed in their lives far beyond Lakeland.